What is going on, everybody? And this is my first pack break ever on camera. I used to do this hobby back when I was in high school. Unfortunately, that's when I had not much money to spend, and when I did, it was on some cards. So that there's some of my collection back in the day when I was like maybe got one pack every so often. You got to start somewhere, huh? Back then those 96, 95, Shaq Hollow gold die cut. It's a big deal. Like yeah. Anyway, decided to get back into it about 20 years later, and I've got myself some retail Prism 20 2019, 1920. Six of these packs and two NBA hoops hobby packs. And obviously looking for top rookies here. Jar, Zion, so a few other guys. Starting off slow, the hobby prisms are quite expensive, so starting off with this until get some cash together to get a few other bigger packs, boxes and stuff. But start off with these and we'll see how we go. All right, I think we'll do three of these, three prisms first, and go into the hoops next, and then finish off with some prisms. So yeah, in these retail packs, we'll see how we go. All right, first one. Right off the bat, we've got a rookie here. Put that over there. I see a little rookie. Nice. We'll put him in a bit more room here. And Jordan Clarkson. We got a red here. Nice. Luca Kennard. Yep. Not numbered. Go down there. And Josh Richardson. First pack in about 20 years. All right. So, there we go, like that. So, next pack. It's quite exciting to see what could have. Nick Claxton, another rookie. It's good. Hope you guys can see that. Yeah. These, I got to say, these prisms are nice and shiny. Okay. And then with the rookie, Andre Drummond, Pistons. We have an instant impact. Alexander Walker. Insert. And Quinn Cook. So it's JaVale McGee here. And these prisms are shining right in my eyes. Get Magic. Cam Reddish. Instant Impact, Hawks, and Jaron Jackson Jr. Alright, let's try these hoops now. Wendell Carter Jr. Wilson Chandler. DeJounte Murray. Dion. And we got an Aussie here, Joe Ingles. Alright, Cody Martin purple. Hey, here we go, Jar. Alright, first back ends, welcome me back to the breaks, welcome me back to this hobby. Nice deal. Let's get a top rookie. There you go. Yep, just the base, but you know, I'll take it all day long. Here's Baisley, another rookie. Lovely. Over there. Let's keep it going now. Oh, I just saw that. We got another rookie on the back, Kobe White. But alright, base. Some Rivers. Is that Collins? Josh Hart. Now they have red backs on these. I'm not sure how to tell them apart by everyone. We'll get another rookie here. Just make sure I haven't finished any red backs. I missed him. Nope. Okay. Alright. Brendan Clark. And Kobe White. Tribute. Nice. Oh, rookie. 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 And rookie. You keep those rookies. Alright, it's not terrible so far. I'm looking for another, maybe Williamson. If he can make an appearance here, that'd be great. Bol, another rookie. Yeah, keep those rookies coming. We want the big rookie. Nice. Base. Pistol Pete's. Alright. Second to last pack. On this day of break. I have got another what is it? A gravity feed of hoops coming either tomorrow or the next day. We've got a green here. Can it be Zion? Jar. So we have a rookie here. Yes. The Walker. Nice. Now slow. Is it a rookie? No, rookie. And alright. Base. Insert. Last pack. I really hope we can get something good. Looks like our base. Hopefully a rookie. No. Anthony Hardaway. Penny. Rookie. No. Bill Russell. And Bradley Beal. Alright. That wraps up for this break. Pack only. So I'll be making more videos. So I'm quite excited to get back into this with hopefully hit some of these top rookies with big cards, big signatures and all that. Alright, until next time. Thanks for tuning in.